Looking for a way to reboot your Windows computer if it's giving you trouble? Well, this is Tech Simplicity, and you're watching the shutdown command explained. What's going on, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to force shut down a Windows computer using the Windows command prompt. Having said that, let's get right into it. To begin, you'll want to open up the Windows command prompt. Once the program is open, simply type in the command shutdown space -R space -F space -T space 00 and press enter. Once this is done, the computer will instantly reboot itself. Just so that you guys know, a breakdown of the command is as follows. The shutdown tells the computer that you want to, well, shut it down. The -R stands for restart. The -F stands for force. The -T stands for the amount of time you want to wait after you press enter. And the 00 stands for 0 seconds. So if you wanted to time your reboot for a later point, you could type in something like 60, which would be 1 minute later, or even 30,000 if you wanted to reboot your computer 500 minutes later. The possibilities here are really endless. This is a nice trick to have in your back pocket if you ever find yourself in a situation where you want to force your computer to reboot, even if you have a slew of programs opened up at that time, or if a program is causing you a bunch of computer trouble. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe for future content, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time.